Hello, just a reminder to put March the 30th in your diary, because that's when Eve goes live. If you want to see some sample content of the course, keep watching this video because I'll be spinning the Eve Take a Peek randomizer in just a few seconds to choose a clip. So you need to hurry as there are limited seats on the early bird offer. You'd also lose the chance to win this great Petrel MFT worth over £1,000 if you don't get that offer. When Eve goes live, she'll be completely up to date, complying with both Amendment 1 and the brand new IET Code of Practice for EV Installation, the 4th edition, which is being launched on the 17th of March. So go to learninglounge.com/Eve now and click Book. Use code EARLY1, you'll get the discounted price of only £99 plus VAT and the chance to win the Petrel. So let's take a peek at the randomizer. That one.
So, now we know this installation is TNCS, let's look at the options for PME. I can see in the courtyard that there are a few other charging points already installed, so let's go and have a look at what they've done. Here in the corner unit, they've recognised the PME issue, so they've TT'd the EV charging point. Now when you do that option, you've got to think about simultaneous contact, so I can't actually see anything metallic connected to the PME network here. But over here, on the same property, there is a copper pipe. Now if there's no insert on this, inside, this would be connected to the main earthing terminal of the PME network. So if the vehicle was plugged in here and charging there, it would be feasible for someone to touch the car and this and get a shock under fault conditions. So the vehicle would become live and the person would be at risk of electric shock. So this doesn't comply with the wiring regulations.
Technology.